Hey my friends, welcome to Joyce Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install Jupyter Lab in Python on Mac. Once you follow the steps mentioned in this video, you will have your Jupyter Lab up and ready within minutes. First, let me show you the version of Python installed on my Mac. To check that, we'll write the command python 3 space hyphen hyphen version. If I hit enter, it's going to print the version of Python that is installed on my Mac, which is Python 3.13.5. And this happens to be one of the latest versions of Python available at the time of recording this video. If you want to install the same, then you can watch the video in the I button. Now we are going to create a new folder where our project will live. And I'm going to create that folder on my desktop. So I'm going to go inside my desktop using the cd command. Over here, using the mkdir command, I am going to create a folder which I'm going to name as Jupyter_install. If I hit enter, it's going to create a folder in the name of Jupyter_install on my desktop. Now I'm going to go inside this folder using the cd command. Like this. Here we are going to create a virtual environment. Why virtual environment? Because we want to install Jupyter Lab separately from other projects. And the command to create a Python virtual environment is python 3 -m -v and the name of the virtual environment. Let me name it as Jupyter_VNV. Let me hit enter now. And if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. All right, it didn't throw any error. Let's check if the virtual environment is created or not using ls-l command. And there you go, you can see Jupyter_VNV is appearing over here. Now we are going to activate the virtual environment. So on your terminal, you are going to type source space the name of the virtual environment, which is Jupyter_VNV /bin/activate. Let's hit enter. And you can see the virtual environment Jupyter_VNV has become active. With the environment active, we are going to install Jupyter Lab finally using pip. The command will be pip install Jupyter Lab. And let's hit enter. And you can see the installation has begun. It's going to take a while. Awesome, the installation is over. And it does say successfully installed Jupyter Lab 4.4.6. Now, to make sure it's working, we are going to type Jupyter space lab. And once we hit enter, it should open your browser with the Jupyter Lab interface. If it does, congratulations, you have successfully installed Jupyter Lab. There you go. You can see we are in Jupyter Lab that we successfully installed just now using pip. To get out of it, we are going to press on file and then click on shutdown. Okay, it's asking for a confirmation. Let's shut it down properly. And it says server stopped. You have shut down the Jupyter server. You can now close this tab. All right, let me close this tab. And you can see the command prompt is back over here. Now, if you have a question, how am I going to restart my Jupyter Lab? Once your virtual environment is deactivated like this, to restart the Jupyter Lab, you are going to make your virtual environment active again by typing source Jupyter_VNV /bin/activate. And you are going to write the command Jupyter space lab again after your virtual environment is active. The moment you hit enter, your Jupyter Lab will be relaunched like this. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install Jupyter Lab in Python on Mac using pip from this video of Joyce Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.